Hello guys, welcome to my channel Stylight. So today in this video I will show you how you can make a fashion face illustrations very quickly. So please stay tuned to my channel so that you can get a full idea how you can make a fashion faces illustrations very quickly. And I hope you guys will like my video and also subscribe my channel and comment in my comment sections how does you're liking my video. So let's begin. So initially when I'm studying my fashion designing course, I was practicing in which way I was practicing I will say the exactly to you guys so that it will get it will helpful to you so that you can also practice in the same way. So before I started, I first draw a full circle. Okay, so this circle is nothing but the upper portion of the face. Okay, it's a full rounded circle. Okay, the upper portion of the face means that is divided into three equal portions: the hairlines, eyebrows and eyes, and the nose. Okay, next I will draw a slightly triangular shape of pattern. This is the cheekbones and the lower portion of the nose. This area will cover. Now I will draw a straight line. Now I will divide this circle equally in a three proportions way. Okay, so first proportions which I am marking, this is the hairline portion. Second, I will divide it the second portions in a two way. First, this one is for the eyebrows and this one for the eyes, and this portions obviously for the nose. Okay, so let's begin. Now when I to this line I will mark two small lines. This is actually the size of the eyes which I'm marking. Okay, so equally here, and between these two lines here will be the ear. Okay, it's very easy, anybody can do this. I think you guys too can. This video will help you to do this. Okay, so let's begin. Generally you can see to my other videos I don't draw full eyes on my fashion illustrations. This is my own signature style. I always prefer to illustrate a big, long, thick. This is my own style, and thick eyebrows. You guys have different, you guys have your own style, so I'm showing my way how I illustrate my one. So this is the nose. So while I draw the nose, I make three circles. One is the big one, second one is the small, and this other one is also the small. So this is the way. Can erase all the things. So here a gap of 1/3 between the lips and the nose. Just make a gap of 1/3, then draw the lips. Between this I make a small circle. Make a small circle between these two lip line gap so that you can get the proper curves of the lips, the upper portion of the lips. This is the cheekbones. Now you can erase the remaining lines. So this is the hairline, so I'm making the hair. Any style of hair you can make. So this is the end product. How you can make a full fashion faces illustrations very quickly, which I used to draw. So yeah. Hope you like my video. So this is the end of the video. So please subscribe my channel and also share my channel to your friends. So take care. Bye. Have a good day.